This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the subject and main verb in each sentence. That gives you control over meaning. Once done, convert weak passive constructions to active voice to make sentences direct and readable. Make sure to scan for basic punctuation errors, commas that change meaning, missing periods, and misuse semicolons. These are the first actionable steps that immediately improve clarity, so apply them line by line and don't move on until each sentence reads with a clear subject and strong verb. You now refine sentence structure by enforcing consistent tense and the same point of view across paragraphs. Inconsistency confuses readers. Once done, fix fragments by combining them with nearby clauses or turning them into full sentences so rhythm improves. Make sure lists and compound phrases use parallel construction, matching verbs, nouns, or phrases so patterns read smoothly. While doing this, watch sentence length variety to control pace. Mix short commands with longer explanatory sentences to keep the reader engaged. You finish by proofreading for common word choice mistakes like there verses there and then verses, then these small errors derail credibility. Once done, perform a final pass focused on punctuation and sentence boundaries. Ensure commas, periods, and em-dashes are correct. Make sure to read the text aloud slowly. This single troubleshooting step reveals missing words, awkward phrasing, and rhythm problems you might miss visually. If problems persist, isolate the sentence and rewrite it from the subject-verb core outward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.